Now I'm gonna use this video doorbell camera. First, we need to download and use the Netcam app. After we use it, we just need to tap in our device, and here we should choose wireless Wi-Fi configuration, and here we choose battery doorbell, and the next of course, and now we need to turn it on. So here we press the power button up to 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Welcome to use.
Now it says welcome to use. Now,
Welcome to use.
and I do here. So now I need to press the
Please configure the Netcam.
doorbell for one time. Now it shows me, it says start configure the network and connect next. Here I should input my smartphone the Wi-Fi password.
Wi-Fi configuration failed. Please reconfigure. Please configure the Netcam.
So show password, making sure it's correct. And now click start configuration.
Configuration has been accepted. Network connection success.
Shows me the device and here, so I can down it. Now I'm able to, so waking up online, so it shows me the screenshot, so it reminds me to set a password. So I need to set a password, so give it a password. Down it. So down. I've set password. Now we can see here the dormancy. It means in standby status. And here we can see the battery is fully recharged. And here tap it. So we need to wake it up. Then tweak its settings. Now it shows me the online. So I can tweak the doorbell settings, Wi-Fi setting, and user setting. We can add users. Because here we got alarm setting, temper alarm. We can enable it, and or passive infrared sensor alarm on. So here we can also choose the detection sensitivity of the passive infrared motion detection. Okay, we can set the passive information, infrared video recording. So it says pre-recording, right? I think it is pre-recording. 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or 40 seconds. And next we go to here with the SD card, so we can insert the SD card, memory card for the video storage. Message setting, here we can receive message, and I'm going to check the video. Here it shows me the video, so disable the sound for screen.